Today I'm excited to share with you ginger pear pancakes. Light, fluffy pancakes studded with little chunks of fresh pear and brightened up with some freshly grated ginger. You're going to love them. We're going to start by making a basic pancake batter of 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Give that a little bit of a whisk before continuing to the wet ingredients. Now we're going to go ahead and add 1 large egg, 1 1/4 cups of 2% or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of butter that has been melted, and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then you'll want to whisk that up until smooth. I'm using Bartlett pears today, but any pear will work, so buy what you can find, or even better, what's on sale. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel the pear. It's important to peel the pear after the batter is mixed, because they will oxidize if left to sit out. Now you'll want to finely dice this pear. And now is probably a good time to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. That way you'll never miss a recipe. And we're going to grate about 1.5 teaspoons of ginger. It really helps to make this recipe special. And 1 final stir to mix everything together, and we're ready to cook. You want to drizzle lightly with oil, a neutral oil, or you could use butter if you choose. And once your oil is hot, you want to add about 1/3 cup of batter. And you can tell when the pancakes are ready to flip once they start to show a few bubbles. Fluffy and studded with sweet pears. They are wonderful. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. We'll see you again.